Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 20 July 2021. Here this is the problem. 1 to n accept the multiples of x and y. The program must accept 3 integer n, x and y. The program must print all the numbers from 1 to n which are not divisible by x, either y or either the both. So we just need to do that here. For the sake of simplicity, I took n as 10 and x as 3, y as 5. So we just need to print 1 to 10 from which are not divisible by 3 and 5. So let me do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here this is n is inclusive. So that's why we have 10 here. Now it's time to get rid of all the divisible numbers, like so if 3 is divisible by 3, get out. And 5 is divisible by 5, so get out. 6 is divisible by 3, so you to go off. Now you to 10 is divisible by 5, so we just need to remove that guy also. Finally what we have is 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. Those things are not divisible by 3 and 5, so we just need to print these elements. That's it guys, that's it, the logic behind this problem. Yeah, I have changed the theme because yesterday for the, I don't know why, but I have attended the academic classes and they have taught programming in white ID. Then I came to understand how it feels. So I have changed. No matter. Here this is the code they have already defined here. They have taken care of all the input parts n, x and y, and they have created a loop which will run from 1 to n, so we don't need to worry about that. And inside that they have printed all the values after the condition. So we just make a condition to skip the current iteration, not to break them. So if we found the multiples of something, we just need to skip that float. So how we are going to do that? So what are the conditions should be? Like if the multiples, we just need to skip. For skipping we can do something called continue. continue. Is that the correct spelling for continue? Believe it's correct. So this continue will just not continue the flow. Like it will stop here and it will increment the I value and go for the next iteration. It won't continue. Like the continue won't continue. It just move to the next iteration. So we are going to skip the flow by the keyword continue. So what are the conditions should be? If value is completely divisible by x, which will return 0, or value is completely divisible by y, which also give 0, we just need to skip the value or skip that uh, current iteration and it will go for the next one. So let's check, is that the code? gcc main.c, we got some error. Yeah, instead of continue I have done continue. So if you remove that u, you will get the flow works fine. gcc main.c, we didn't get any compile error. Now it's time to execute our problem. As I have told, for the sake of simplicity, the n value is 10 and the x value is 3, y value is 5. So we got 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, which was here. 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. That's it guys, that's it for today's video. All you just need to do is like make the condition and let the flow continues. Actually, not to continues. Okay guys, see you soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.